Iran is moving to tighten its control over the Strait of Hormuz as tensions with the United States continue and Tehran weighs new rules governing one of the world's most important energy routes. Iran's Parliamentary National Security and Foreign Policy Commission has approved the general outline of a bill aimed at securing and regulating the Strait of Hormuz and the Persian Gulf. The bill, titled the Strategic Action for Ensuring Security and Sustainable Development of the Strait of Hormuz and the Persian Gulf, was approved without any opposing votes, according to Commission spokesperson Hassan Kashkavi. The proposed legislation would give the Iranian government, working alongside the armed forces, responsibility for maritime security, navigation, and environmental protection in the Persian Gulf. Its preliminary text proposes a blanket ban on vessels owned or flagged by the United States, Israel, or other states and entities considered hostile by Iran. The move comes as Iran continues to restrict traffic through the Strait of Hormuz following the US-Israeli war with Iran. The strait is a crucial global energy choke point, and any prolonged disruption to shipping through it has the potential to affect oil supplies and prices worldwide. At the same time, Tehran says it is close to reaching an agreement with Oman on new shipping lanes through the waterway. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi said on Sunday that the agreement was in its final stages.
روی مسیر موقت داریم صحبت می‌کنیم، تقریباً به نتیجه خیلی نزدیک هستیم. روی نقشه‌های این مسیر که توسط نیروهای مسلح تهیه شده داره کار صورت میگیره. بین نیروهای دریایی دو کشور مذاکرات شده و جزئیاتش هم در حال انجام هست و من فکر میکنم که خیلی نزدیک بتونیم این مذاکرات رو جمع‌بندی بکنیم.
But he made clear that agreeing on new routes would not by itself mean the strait would reopen. Iran says the United States must first meet a series of conditions. These include ending what Tehran describes as US aggression against Iran and its regional allies, lifting sanctions, removing the blockade of Iranian ports, releasing frozen Iranian assets, and providing compensation for damage caused during the war. Iran's Revolutionary Guards have also warned that the strait will remain closed until those demands are met. The Guards have described the waterway not simply as a shipping route but as a theater of war. Iran also says it is not directly negotiating with Washington. Araghchi said Tehran and Washington are instead exchanging messages through intermediaries, while the two sides remain publicly at odds over how and when the conflict should end. President Donald Trump, meanwhile, has said his administration is allowing economic pressure on Iran to build. In an interview with Axios, Trump said the United States was only semi-negotiating with Iran and was watching the effects of inflation and economic pressure inside Iran. The developments come as uncertainty continues over when or under what conditions commercial shipping can return to normal through the Strait of Hormuz. Iran has previously indicated that it wants vessels to use routes closer to its coastline and has raised the possibility of charging fees for ships under those routes. That has added another layer of uncertainty for global energy markets, with the strait carrying a significant share of the world's oil and gas shipments. Meanwhile, Iran's leadership is also making changes at the top of its security establishment. Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian recently met Supreme Leader Ayatollah Mujtaba Khamenei, according to the Supreme Leader's office. The meeting focused on the country's domestic challenges, the current military situation, and its future prospect. Mujtaba Khamenei has remained largely out of public view since taking over as Supreme Leader earlier this year. In another change, former Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps commander Mohsen Razai has been appointed as Khamenei's representative to the Supreme National Security Council, Iran's top security body. His predecessor, Mohammad Bagher Zolqadar, who was also a former Guards commander, has been moved to the role of political advisor to Khamenei. Taken together, the moves point to Iran preparing for a prolonged period of confrontation and uncertainty, while negotiations over the Strait of Hormuz remain closely tied to the broader question of whether the war with the United States can finally come to an end.